Volume and Capacity Part 2. Hello friends, welcome to our student support program for grade 9. Today you will learn about volume of a cylinder. You will also learn how to solve problems involving volume of a cylinder. Before we start with today's lesson, let's have a quick recap of Part 1. You have learned about the definition of a volume. A volume of an object is the amount of space that it occupies. You have also learned about the volume of a prism, which is area of cross-section multiplied by length. Today, we are going to learn about volume of a cylinder. First, let's have a look at the definition of cylinder. It is a solid object with two identical flat ends that are circular and one curved side. Therefore, a cylinder has two identical circular ends and a curved side. Here are some real-life examples of cylinder. We can consider a cylinder as a stack of circles placed one above the other. An oblique cylinder is the stack of circles leaned over. Now let's find the volume of a cylinder. As we have mentioned earlier, let's consider a cylinder as a stack of circles. We have a circular end and height of cylinder. To find the volume that the cylinder occupies, we shall multiply the area of circle by the height of the cylinder. Note that area of circle is pi r square. Therefore, volume of a cylinder is pi r square multiplied by h. Also note that pi is the ratio of circumference of a circle and its diameter. The value of pi is equal to 22/7 or 3.14. Therefore, volume of a cylinder is pi r square h. Let's apply this formula to some examples. Example 1. Find the volume of a cylinder having radius 6 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Take pi to be 3.14. It is always good practice to write down the information given. R is equal to 6 centimeters, H is equal to 10 centimeters, pi is equal to 3.14. We write down our formula. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. We proceed by substituting the values. 3.14 multiplied by 6 to the square multiplied by 10. Simplifying this, we get 1,130.4 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of cylinder is equal to 1,130.4 centimeter cube. Example 2. Calculate the volume of a can of length 7 centimeters and radius 30 millimeters. Give your answer in centimeter cube. Take pi to be 22/7. Since we need to give the answer in centimeter cube, we shall convert 30 millimeters into 3 centimeters. Note that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. We write down all our information. R is equal to 3 centimeters after conversion. H is equal to 7 centimeters. Pi is equal to 22/7. Now we write down our formula. volume of can is equal to pi r square h. We substitute the values. 22/7 multiplied by 3 to the square multiplied by 7 will give us volume in centimeter cube. Simplifying this, we get 198 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of can is equal to 198 centimeter cube. Example 3. The volume of a pipe of height 12 centimeters is 602.88 centimeter cube. Calculate the radius of the pipe. Take pi to be 3.14. You will notice that we need to calculate radius. So let radius be r, and given h is equal to 12 centimeters. We write down the equation volume of pipe is equal to 602.88. We write down the formula. Pi r square h is equal to 602.88. We substitute the values. 3.14 multiplied by r square multiplied by 12 is equal to 602.88. Simplifying the left-hand side, we get 37.68 r square is equal to 602.88. Making r square the subject of formula, we get r square is equal to 602.88 divided by 37.68. Simplifying the right-hand side, we get r square is equal to 16. Solving for r, we get r is equal to square root of 16. R is equal to 4. Therefore, the radius of the pipe is equal to 4 centimeters. A quick recap. Volume of a cylinder is equal to pi r square h. It is always good practice to write down the information given to you. Also, show all your workings clearly. Here are some exercises for you to practice. Exercise 1. Calculate the volume of each of the following cylinders. Exercise 2. A cylinder has radius 2 meters and height 3 meters. Calculate the volume of the cylinder. Take pi to be 3.14. Exercise 3. A pipe has diameter 1.4 centimeters and length 1 meter. Calculate the volume of the pipe. Give your answer in centimeter cube. Take pi to be 22/7. Exercise 4. A tank with circular base has radius 50 centimeters and height 210 centimeters. Part A. Calculate the volume of water in meter cube when full. Take pi to be 22/7. This volume of water is transferred into a second tank in the form of a cuboid with length 1.5 meters and width 0.5 meters. Part B, calculate the depth of water in the second tank, assuming that there is no overflow. Exercise 5. A plastic coin storage has internal radius 0.6 centimeters and height 10 centimeters. Part A, calculate the volume of the coin storage. Take pi to be 3.14. Given that a coin with radius 0.6 centimeters and height 3 millimeters fits perfectly inside the coin storage, what is the maximum number of coins that the storage can contain if stacked one above the other? Here are some interesting links that you can visit to help you with this lesson. So friends, today you have learned about the volume of a cylinder, which is pi r square h. You have also learned how to solve problems involving volume of a cylinder. I hope you have enjoyed this program. Thank you for watching. Till next time, it's goodbye.